Hello. In this video, you will learn how to create a time frame and event policies. You can use a time frame to specify specific time durations in the policy that determines when an event policy runs or does not run. Let's look at an example. As an administrator, you have scheduled a system backup that runs once a week for an hour. During this backup period, you do not want to receive unnecessary events. You can set up a time frame that lasts for a specific time duration. You can then associate the time frame with a suppression policy to suppress unnecessary events. Now, let's start creating a time frame. In the BMC Helix Operations Management console, click Configuration, and select Event Policies. Then, click Create. Let's specify the event policy details. Specify the time frame details when the event policy should be active. This field lists all the active time frames in a tenant. The Always Active option is the default. This means that the time frame will always be active for an event policy. Note that you cannot edit the default time frame. Now, click Create Time Frame. Let's configure the time frame settings. The time frame schedule allows you to run an event policy once or repeatedly for a specific time duration. For this demo, let's select the schedule as recurring. Specify when you want the time frame to begin and end. Note that the time is in the 24-hour format. The recurrence pattern allows you to schedule a time frame that repeats on certain days of the week, certain days of the month, and so on. You can also configure the time frame to exclude weekends. Select weekly and specify the days of the week for which the time frame should be active. Use range of recurrence to specify the start date and end date of the time frame. You can choose to never end the time frame or end after a particular number of occurrences. Select the desired time zone under Advanced Settings. You can configure the time zone for both a one-time and a recurring time frame. Now that you have configured the time frame settings, click Save. Here, the time frame that you created is listed. You can edit the time frame by clicking the Edit button. Now that you know how to create a time frame, you can configure time frames for specific time durations based on your requirement. For more information, click the documentation link in this video's description. Thanks for watching.